Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will learn how to visualize or digital elevation model in 3D within the global mapper. For this purpose I have loaded my area of interest. Now I will download digital elevation model for my area of interest, or you can also load your area of digital elevation model that you have downloaded from another source as well. So I will go to the file and now download online imagery. Now I will select the Astro digital elevation model Dropbox and now select and OK. Now connect it. So we have successfully downloaded the digital elevation model for our area of interest. Now go to the view, and the view select the 3D view. So you can see your digital elevation model and as well as your area of interest. We can visualize it. So to change the background, the dark background, you can go here and select the drop down, and now cloudy light ray, I will select it. Now you can see the cloudy light rays as well as the light rays like this. You can also select the full moon, sunset like this. And you can also try the sunny day as well. I'll go for the sunset for now. Now you can also zoom in and zoom out while using your mouse scroll wheel, and also you can use these tools which are available on the left hand side, left hand corner like this. You can also click on it, or you can like this. You can also change the view of your digital elevation model. Now we are seeing the digital elevation model from the top. Now I will select south view, so you are seeing now it from the south, and bottom view, this is the view, and this is the west view. You can also save your view. For example, if I adjust my digital elevation model like this, and now I want to save this view, I can also save this view, and from here save. Alright, you can also change increase or decrease the exaggeration of the digital elevation model. So you can decrease or suppress the height, or you can press Ctrl E on your keyboard like this. So that exaggeration has been compressed. It has compressed the. Now let me exaggerate it. You can see now your digital model has been exaggerated like this. Now to show the water level, you can also show the water level. Click on water level, so you can see the water level here, and also you can read the vertical exaggeration from here as well as the water level. The water level is now 1529.2 meters. You can decrease and increase the water level from here. Select decrease water level, you can decrease it like this. Yes, and you can also increase it again.